Today you have to start with practice set 4.1, question number 6. Draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all its median and altitude. Write your observation about their point of concurrence. Means you have to draw the isosceles triangle and you have to draw the median, all the three median to that isosceles triangle and all the three altitudes to that isosceles triangle. So here I already draw this isosceles triangle. This side BC is 4 centimeter, this side AB is 6 centimeter, and this side AC is 6 centimeter. This both the sides are 6 centimeter. This side is 4 centimeter, and you have to draw the altitude. If you want to draw the altitude, at that time you have to use the set square, and you have to draw the altitude. And what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? The triangle with all the two sides are congruent is called as the isosceles triangle. Here you have to draw the altitude to this isosceles triangle. In this triangle I will show how you have to draw the altitude, and here in this triangle, this is also the isosceles triangle. In this triangle, how you have to draw the median to this isosceles triangle, and what is the observation, observation about the point of concurrence, that also you have to write after drawing the diagram. So here if you want to draw the altitude, at that time if this one is the base, you have to adjust the set square like this. Means this side has to match with this side and this point has to intersect the point C. Line has to intersect the point C. So you have to adjust this like this, and you have to draw the perpendicular to this side. This side you have to draw the perpendicular. Here in this way you have to adjust the set square and you have to draw the perpendicular. Here 90-degree angle will form. Here 90-degree angle has to form. In the same manner, you have to take the base from this side to opposite vertex. You have to draw the perpendicular, adjust the set square like this, and you have to draw the altitude. Here 90-degree angle will form. Then from the vertex A to opposite side BC, you have to draw the altitude. So adjust the set square like this, vertex and the base properly, and you have to see that you have to shift this properly like this. Adjust the set square. Base has this BC has to match with this set square base, and you have to draw the altitude. So this is the point of concurrence. The point of concurrence of the altitude, here right angle will form, is called as the orthocenter. You have to say that all the three altitudes intersect and one single point. That point is called as the point of concurrence. So you have to say that all the three altitude intersect at one single point. O is called orthocenter. In this way, you have to draw the isosceles triangle. You have to take this side as 4 centimeter, this side as 6 centimeter, this side as 6 centimeter. I will write this as 6 centimeter, this as 6 centimeter. You have to draw the triangle, and by the set square you have to draw the altitude like this. I think you understand these things. Then here you have to draw the median. If you want to draw the median, at that time you have to utilize the compass, and first of all you have to draw the midpoint of the BC. So here you have to take the more than half the distance of this and you have to make the arc to the both side. You have to make the arc to the both side. So take the more than half of the BC and draw the perpendicular bisector. Make the arc both side. In the same manner, you have to keep on C and you have to make the arc like this. This point of intersection of this arc, you have to join by the scale. Here, you have to join by the scale. Here, this is the altitude. Okay, here right angle will form. You have to draw the median from the vertex A to this side BC. At that time, you have to join this point. This point and vertex A you have to join like this. At that time, in the isosceles triangle, altitude, perpendicular bisector and angle bisector will come same. Means this is your median. Means this altitude and the median is one and same, or perpendicular bisector and the median is one and same. So this is the median. Okay. Then here you have to take the more than half of the AB. You have to take the more than half of the AB and get the set square properly. Here, keep the pointer on B and make the arc to the both side. Both side you have to make the arc. In the same manner, you have to keep on A and make the arc to the both side. So you have to join this line. You have to join these points. By the scale, first of all, you have to join this point. Like this. This is the perpendicular bisector. So you have to make the arrow, and from this is the midpoint of AB. This is the perpendicular bisector. So you have to join these points like this. Means from this vertex, this is the median. From this vertex, this one is the median till this. Understand? Then, friends, you have to draw the median from the vertex B to the opposite side AC. At that time, you have to use the compass. In the similar manner, you have to take the more than half distance. You have to take the more than half distance. You have to make the arc here to the both side. Keep the pointer on A and you have to make the arc like this. Everybody understand? Then you have to join the line. You have to join these points properly. So these points you have to join like this. Here right angle will form. Here you have to join this point and the vertex B. So it will join like this. At that time, this is the centroid G. This is the centroid G. See, centroid G divide the median in the ratio 2:1. So I will say that this side is 6 centimeter. This side is also 6 centimeter of the isosceles triangle, and here this is the point of concurrence of the perpendicular bisector, and this is the point of concurrence of the median. This G is the point of concurrence of the median. So I will write G is point of concurrence of median called centroid. All the three median of triangle are concurrent. I think this is our opinion about the after drawing the diagram, and you have to draw the diagram like this properly. Okay, dotted line is the perpendicular bisector and dark line is the median. In this way you have to draw the perpendicular bisector and the median for this diagram, and here you have to draw the altitude. I think you understand all these things properly. You have to draw the diagram. Thank you.